my God!
Got him, got him, got him!
Did you see that? Did you hear that? Oh my God!
All right, guys, pulled up to the first spot here, and not 5 minutes in, and oh boy's hooked up on the little rod here, and he has been fighting it for a straight minute. We think it's a cobia. It keeps coming up and stuff, and but we did see a bunch of big jacks, so it might be that too. But Roland is pretty hooked up, and he's getting his butt whooped right now. Yeah.
He came up a little bit.
He shows himself and then he goes down. Look at the bend of that rod, boy.
Yeah.
Ooh! Oh, he smoked it. He smoked the Dudley. That's why you gotta bring the Dudleys, boys. Roland got a yellowfin tuna on right now. Oh yeah, I forgot Mr. Charles wants one of these. Look at that sucker. Ooh, there he goes. Here we go. All right, crank it down on him right here, Roland. Get him a little bit closer. I got good reach on this thing too.
That's what he called it. That's what he called it.
Got him.
It was good.
Give me some line, give me some line. Give me some line.
All right, you good.
Right there on the Dudley, boys. Look at that. Woo!
Yeah,
You wanna hold your fish, bro?
yeah.
You hold your own fish.
Okay.
There we go. Stuck a slob right there on the Dudley. Let's go. All right, guys. So after that first spot, we didn't really catch much now. Now we're going to go cobia hunting. Harry pulling up to these rigs right here and dropping big baits now, see what we can pull up. But we're gonna chill right here, eat a little lunch, and see what's up. This rig has a lot of bait on it. It's what you want to really see. So let's see what we can do. Lure on her. Big one. Oh, Pompano! Pompano!
Let's go!
Let's go! Roland got a pump! Tie this shit! We got. Hey, come up here and show them off, Roland.
Let's go!
Let's go!
First pompano!
Let's go! All right, guys. So now we're still hunting for the cobia, but Roland's throwing a sabiki rig down there. Look what he got!
Let's go!
Where is? Oh my God! Good pompano too.
On the sabiki.
On the sabiki. Let's go, bro. First one. So it's about 12 o'clock right now. We've been grinding and we haven't seen a cobia yet or really much of anything other than that one pompano Roland pulled up. But we're gonna keep looking around. I think it's gonna be, the income tide's coming around 1 or 2 o'clock, so I think we're gonna find some fish soon. All right, guys, pulled back up here to our first spot. See if we do some pompano hunting now. Using dead shrimp and see what we can do. Stuck him, Dad?
All the ladies are crazy.
Big ones. He running. He running at you. He running at you quick, Dad. Uh-oh. Roland's got a, no, you got a trigger. Roland's got a lady. Yeah. I saw that school.
Yeah, you saw him?
Yeah. Look at him flashing.
Yeah.
Big Mac, Big Mac. Big mackerel.
Pompano.
Big mackerel.
Let's go.
No shit. Oh, Roland! Are you kidding me?
Oh, man.
Was it really?
Yes,
It was really?
Big pompano, I saw it.
What?
Big
What?
pompano, yeah. Well, big pompano, bro.
What? I got it all on camera too.
Right there.
Use that J. You need someone with some. You need someone with a little bit of acid. What you got, Dad? Oh, you running sideways, Dad. Hey, play it easy, Dad. It might be. It might be one. He runs like a. He running like one, Dad. There you go. You got some. Oh my! What the hell is that? Wait! What the? No, I saw something on it. Hold on. No, it's big brown. What is that? It's big and brown, Dad.
Where?
I see it. It's big and brown. He's hooked up.
Oh, hooked up on something?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's big and brown.
Uh-oh.
Look at that. Look at that.
Lean.
What is that? That is a cobia. Bro, get the gas. Get the gas. Get the gas. Find that hard.
Oh, fish on. Fish on.
Here, Dad. Here, I got them on.
You gotta get your own bowl now. Uh-oh. 2 sharks on.
Hey, my shit running up.
Popping over.
Hey, my shit running up.
Popping over.
Hey, mine's running up.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's him, boy.
That's him.
That's him.
Let's
That's
go.
him. That's him.
I got that.
Oh, it's a good one too. That's him, son. Shaking, Dad. Look, Dad. Look at him go crazy. Oh, that's him. Get the net, roll. Get the net. Get the net. Oh, it's a big one. All right, I'll take my $10, boys.
Hey, go ahead and
Yeah.
put them right there.
I told you. Hey, look at that, boys. That's what we after.
That's okay. I got it. Yeah, different water now.
Oh, it came off.
You came off?
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, that was fun.
Hey, bro, well, I'm in on top. Right here, I see him. Oh, I wish I had a top one. I know I got a popper in there somewhere.
I got a top one.
Oh, here it come, here it come. Look at him, look at him, look at him. Look at him, look at him.
Oh my God.
Dad, look.
Hey, look, straight jig head.
Hey, roll, get the camera, get your phone, get your phone. Oh my God.
Straight jig head.
Yeah, that camera gonna record it?
It's recording.
Yeah.
Guys, look at this. It's the whole brick road.
Oh my God.
Look at it. Come here, boys.
Oh my gosh, I missed him.
I don't have a hook on this, bro. Dad, look. Look behind the boat.
I saw that.
Oh, got him.
You got him.
Oh, nothing but a hook. Straight jig head.
Guys, this is insane. Scoot up. Oh my God, I got that all. Hey, put it to him, Rollin.
Don't be lying.
Oh,
Let's go.
put it to him. Put it to him. I'm gonna lock it. Lock it, bro. I know I got a big popper or something in here, bro. Come on.
For what? Daniel, you're gonna everything go out there, they're gonna hit it.
Because I want him to just chase it on top water.
You'll lose your lure.
Okay, before you guys say anything, this is just fun. You can't beat this. It's insane.
So they can like be jumping out of the water.
That's all I wanted.
Oh my God!
Dad said they were gone.
Oh my God!
Oh my God! I
Oh,
hope I
circle
got
hook,
that
bro.
on camera. Yeah, just a circle hook and a grub. Oh, oh my God!
Go over! You better pick that rod up. Hey, we need to throw a water bottle out there, bro.
Oh, hey, we should do that.
Throw a water bottle out and just drag it.
Check that out. Insane. Watch. Me and Ro gonna catch one on a water bottle.
Huh? Get both of them out.
All right, guys. Water bottle right here.
You got a grip.
Oh, they're gonna like this. Look, here they come. Here they come. Here they come. Here they come.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Look at him. Look at him.
On the water bottle.
On the water bottle. Look at him.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Look at him all behind the boat.
Watch this, bro. They just hear something, bro.
I just know. They just hear it. Just go.
How we can be over.
Fishing, yeah. Probably.
Oh, there he is. I got him.
You got him?
Crushed it. Absolutely crushed it.
I don't even think I can get this out. They throw it out. Hey, bring him in. Watch.
Oh, come on, baby.
There you go. On the can, bro.
On the can, baby.
On the
got him,
can.
got him.
Oh, he came off. He took the whole can. Look, that's all I got.
Oh my god.
I was on a Red Bull King out there. Bro, that's insane.
Hey, I lost my Red Bull. All right, Red Bull.
Can.
Send it.
I don't think I can.
You can send it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, here's one, here's one. They're on it, they're on it, they're on it. Oh my god, this is crazy. It'll come on a Red Bull can. Oh my god.
Bro, look at them all. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
With my rod, right here. Around me. Oh my god.
Oh my god, I got him, got him.
No, he came off.
Oh my god.
Damn. I had him the first one. Here you go, here you go, here you go, here you go.
Here you go, 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 son.
Oh my god, man. The can's not staying down good enough.
It's alright, keep it up top. Keep it up top. You're rolling to do the Dudley, bro.
The Dudley? Look. Oh my
I'm gonna say
god.
this is Mr. Ball.
Oh my god.
Oh,
my
oh,
God.
he got it, he got it.
Got him.
You got him on the Red
can.
Bull can.
On the Red Bull can, let's go.
Oh my god. On the Red
Oh
Bull
my
can.
gosh. On the Red Bull. Let's go. Let's go. He came off.
Came off?
Yeah.
Guys, this is crazy.
Oh my god.
Got him, got him, got him.
Did you see that? Did you hear that? Oh god. He smoked that thing, bro. Oh, shit.
It's a GT. Grab him. Grab him, brother. I still got the Dudley. In a boat.
That's a spud right there, bro.
That has to be the biggest fish ever caught on a Dudley. Oh, look at that. Woo! Oh, you see her on? Oh, he broke you off. No, I got the hook. I got the hook. Come on, come on, come on. Oh,
Dang.
hold on.
We're gonna get the damn
Where's my phone? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, I got it! Oh my god! Dang it!
Got him. Oh my gosh, look at him, bro. My man.
Oh, there we go. Nice. Okay. All right, guys. Made it back to the house. Got the boat up and everything. This was an awesome day. We caught jacks, and you know, we didn't have a lot of meat fish, but that's not really the point of it. Those jacks were insane. Dad had a good time. Roland had a good time, and we enjoyed the weather out there mainly. It was an awesome day. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and I'll catch you next time. Peace. All right, guys. Made it back to the house. Got the boat up and everything. This was an awesome day. We caught jacks, and you know, we didn't have a lot of meat fish, but that's not really the point of it. Those jacks were insane. Dad had a good time. Roland had a good time, and we enjoyed the weather out there mainly. It was an awesome day. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.